Republican presidential contender Vivek Ramaswamy will make his non-interventionist foreign policy a central plank of his pitch to voters in the coming weeks. Vivek Ramaswamy said that he seeks to position himself as the least likely candidate to wade into a foreign war. To assure voters, he would formally introduce a pledge in Miami on the eve of the third Republican primary date in which he would lay out non-interventionist foreign policy principles. Vivek Ramaswamy said if he won the nomination from his party and then the 2024 general election against Joe Biden, he aims to mandate all political appointees to endorse the pledge, with plans to extend the invitation to other elected officials in the future. He said, "This will be specifically what I will call a litmus test for anybody who is an appointee in my administration and a clear signal to our own supporters." The pledge, dubbed No to Neocons, will consist of 3 broad policy positions that signatories must agree to. Avoiding World War III is a vital national objective. War is never a preference, only a necessity, and the sole duty of US policymakers is to US citizens, he said. Neocons refers to neo-conservatism. The 38-year-old tech entrepreneur's pledge comes days after he sparred with Republican presidential contender Nikki Haley. Vivek Ramaswamy said her policies would risk dragging America into a bloody conflict. When it comes to aid to Ukraine, as Russia continues to batter the country for over a year, both Donald Trump and Vivek Ramaswamy oppose military and humanitarian aid to the previous. Nikki Haley is in favor of aid to Ukraine. Vivek Ramaswamy emerged from the first Republican debate as the most talked about candidate, with hopes his provocative rhetoric will propel him all the way to the White House.